Hi there, today we're checking out the Stealth Mask SM Dust Mask Respirator, designed for ultimate safety and comfort. This mask features twin replaceable filters that trap 99.99% of dust particles smaller than 0.03 microns, perfect for woodworking, construction, and more. Its lightweight design includes quick-release straps that provide a secure, comfortable fit without fogging your eyewear. Made from latex and silicone-free materials, it ensures a safe seal and all-day comfort during tough jobs. The respirator is reusable, making it an eco-friendly choice for various work environments. Plus, its featherweight TPE construction makes it easy to carry between jobs or projects. Stay safe and comfortable with this reliable stealth dust mask respirator. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.